You gotta see your lines be practiced.
My name's Seth. This is my first time on a dirt bike.
There you go, first kick. That's a good sign.
You get that on video?
Yeah, hell yeah, I got that on video.
Oh, my leg. Oh, that fucking hurt. But my clutch lever's gone now.
Wouldn't that suck? No, really?
Is that?
No, it's looking good. It's looking really good.
See that?
No. Come on, keep crashing. Go again. Take two. Okay, got her up. See if we can crash again. Oh shit! Buddy, are you okay? Are you okay, dude?
Yeah, I'm good.
You went down pretty hard there. I think your clutch lever is gone now, or lever, or whatever you want to say.
Nah, we're good. It's all sand.
Oh, it's looking good.
Well,
Seth, we're making freaking gold here, man.
I know.